What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Me, your boy DYang. I'm out here with my brother Danny. This is actually a very late intro, right? We just wanted to get out, start catching some fish. This is Nanee's first time on the boat, so he's been doing really good. Hopefully I got some of that camera right there. I got 2 GoPros running, one on my chest and one on the boat. My goal was to put him on some largemouth bass. He's been doing a lot of smallmouth fishing, so I really wanted that to be like his first great experience. We're just catching, it didn't matter if it was just dinks or big ones. I just want him to see the beauty, the excitement, the scenery. Yeah, the scenery of what's going on out here. So yeah, we're gonna have a good time. Just a little break. It's 8 o'clock, and we're gonna keep like just going around. Hopefully the battery lasts. I don't know, it's real hot. It's like 90 degrees. Yeah, man, I'm ready to fish. I only caught like 3 so far. He probably caught like, I don't know, 12 in the video. So stay tuned and we're gonna keep fishing, guys. You're on. Nice, bro. Hey, there you go. See, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Nice, bro. Yep, bring it in. There you go. Cool.
Oh, he swallowed. Oh,
nice. It'll get bigger. You'll find bigger ones.
Oh, this is good enough for me.
Dude said that. Nice. All right. Put on another Cinco and do it again. That's what I was telling you about. Do it until you figure out the colors. That's all it really is. Just keep hopping around. I'm always digging around my stuff. You got one? Nice, bro. It's bigger. Oh, Danny's on. That's a nice fish, bro. Yep, bring it in, bring it in. Nice, dude. Slow down, too fast. Bring it in. Nice, he's getting bigger. Hey, your boy Danny's on today. Hold up. Hey, boy Danny's on. 2 already. That's like 10 minutes. Go back in the water. He's fine. Tuck him in there. Oh, you got one, bro. No guy.
Oh, he came off. Oh, no.
Oh, he's still on, bro. Keep touching. Your line is caught on your rod.
Yeah, he jumped.
Yeah, bring him in. Bring him in. There he goes. Hey, yeah, keep catching him. You'll find him. He'll get bigger. I was like, my line's taking off pretty good. Yeah? Bring it in. Oh, stop. Nice, dude. There you go. Haha.
Nice. Start the nibbling too.
Alright guys, so Danny obviously figured it out. Black and blue Cinco, man. Catch a fish. I only caught 1. He caught like 10 already. Yep. It's good though. I wanted him to get a good experience. His first time on a boat. I'll get him for you.
Something in there.
There he goes. I got him.
Yep.
It's a nice bass, dude. It's actually a pretty nice bass. Look at it, check it out. Yeah, decent bass. Yeah, there he goes. Sweet. Yeah. Nice for 12-incher. Oh, it's caught on my shirt. Like, why not? It's good. So I wasn't recording you guys, but I caught this guy. Oh gosh. So feisty, dude. What happened?
Fucking spider, bro.
Bro, it's just a spider. No, it's just a spider, dude. Yeah, hey, I got a fish. Oh, dude, I got, oh, we got a nice fish. Look how fast he's running. Oh, dude, what the fuck? Freaking came and smacked me in the face, dude. Yep.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Is it running? Bring it in, bring it in. Oh, it's a nice one. Hey, boy, Danny's on. Yeah, it's a nice fish. Bring it to the boat, bring it to the boat. Grab him by the boat. Grab him by the boat, bring your rod down, get down on your knees. Grab his lip. Okay, there he goes. Damn, that's a nice one, dude. Nice, that's a good size. Oh, another fish caught without recording, you guys. Today was a grind. Another one without recording, you guys. It's been a grind. Look how pretty this is. Biggin! He swallowed it. Oh, his jaw's broken. Sorry, dude. No wonder he wasn't fighting. There he goes. That's a nice one. Nice fish, dude. Told you. Dang. So aggressive. Straight ahead. Alright guys, we're kind of screwed right now, so battery's dying. I gotta power it through. Oh, wrong way, yep. And we gotta get back. Wind is picking up. Woo! Alright guys, we're off the boat. This is the closest to the boat. We got some lures to test out. We're gonna do some catfishing. It's evening. We have a lot of time. I'm pretty tired. I'm sure he is too, but we're gonna grind it out, enjoy the rest of our day. I got some really cool HD crawl stuff. So anyways, hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, let's get fishing.